Hello everyone, and today I'm showing you our kitchen garden transformation for this year. Mother Nature threw us a bone early in April with crazy great sunshine and bearable temperatures, so we got to work very early this season. So stay tuned for all the eye candy. I even made a new furry friend this year, and I'll also show you what I'm doing to preserve the harvest. Spoiler alert, I bought a canner, yes, after I swore I wouldn't. My name is Laura, and welcome to Applewood. I found these cabbage moths doing a very good job of eating the cabbage leaves, so it was time to see if this newbie gardener could surgically remove the cabbages from the turnip beds and move them over to an area all their own. Now, the goal was to let them recover for a bit and then treat them with an organic spray that would then discourage the hungry moths from devouring all of my hard work. And then I'm going to work on this. By replanting them, I'm going to save them. I don't know. They're already under stress, so. I saw the neighbor putting this bench out onto his tree lawn, and I immediately called my husband to go talk to him. And he was happy to let us take his trash, and now it's in our back garden. Yes, it's old and rickety, and that's exactly why I like it. It's now a favorite place to stop and snap the wax beans before bringing them into the house. And I think it's the perfect piece of garden decor. And about a day or two later, I got this surprise little visitor. And he was very curious about the stuff I was doing as he hides in the tomato plants watching me. Now, I can say he's definitely the one eating the birdseed, maybe the sunflowers, I'm not really sure. So I stuffed him full of pecans, and he was pretty chill. So he's been named Peekaboo, and he has been seen periodically hiding around the garden. I just hope he doesn't invite more of his close friends to the party. I don't have any more. I think if I feed you any more, you'll burst. Hey, you coming to say hi? You coming to say hi? I made some weird declaration that I would never get into canning. And then I found this thing. And after some serious research, I determined that it was necessary for the sake of my future happiness. I'm now in the learning stages with oodles of books and a lot of recipes, and I managed to can some sweet peppers on a whim one early Monday morning. So it's official. I have a new toy. And that is all for me today. Happy harvest, and thank you for welcoming the change of season with me, and I'll see you next time.